How TEMU coupons work. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how TEMU coupons work. Now you can find TEMU coupons by simply opening up any web browser and searching TEMU coupons. Here I've opened this website, which is couponfollow.com. Here tap on the see details option of any coupon that you want. Then you simply want to tap on the copy option over here and copy the coupon code. After that, you can open up the TEMU app on your device or open up any web browser and head over to temu.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on this profile icon here and tap on the option of coupons and offers. Once you get here, you will find three sections: unused, used, and expired. You're going to find your unused coupon codes over here. Now to redeem your coupon code, simply tap on this box and paste the coupon code that you have just copied. Now tap on the apply option. If the coupon code is valid, it will be successfully applied over here. There is another thing that you can do as well. For this, you want to tap on the search bar over here and then simply paste the coupon code here. Then tap on this search icon. Now you're going to find all the categories of the items that you can get discounts on using this coupon code. So in this way, you can use the TEMU coupon codes. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.